Welcome to Brain Booster. Ever wondered how to combat that nagging cough or cold with a simple home remedy? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're exploring an age-old remedy that's been passed down through generations. It's a humble yet powerful concoction of honey and onion. This syrup is cherished for its soothing and healing properties, making it a trusted companion for those pesky coughs and colds. Honey and onion, two timeless ingredients coming together to create this healthful elixir. So, are you ready to dive into the process of creating this age-old remedy? Now, let's unravel the steps to prepare this simple yet effective cough syrup. To start off, you'll need one medium-sized onion. Peel the outer layers and chop it into small pieces. It's not an art show, so no need for perfect dicing. Just make sure the pieces are small enough to let their juices mingle with the honey. Next, grab a bowl and place your chopped onion in it. The size of the bowl isn't crucial, but it should be large enough to comfortably hold your onion and honey without spilling. Now, it's time to drizzle the magic ingredient. Pour a full cup of honey over your chopped onions. The honey will draw out the beneficial compounds from the onion while adding its own soothing properties to the mix. Once you've covered your onion with honey, it's time for a little patience. Cover the bowl and let it sit for at least 6 hours. If you can, leave it overnight. This gives the ingredients ample time to blend and intensify their healing properties. As the final step, you'll need to separate the syrup from the onion pieces. Strain the mixture into a jar, squeezing out as much liquid as you can. Remember, that's your cough syrup, so you don't want to waste a single drop. There you have it. Your homemade honey and onion cough syrup is ready to soothe that irritating cough. Now that you've learned how to make the syrup, let's explore why this remedy works wonders. The magic lies in the blend of two simple but powerful ingredients, honey and onion. Honey, a natural sweetener, is known for its soothing properties. It calms a sore and tired throat, providing immediate relief. On the other hand, onion, a humble kitchen staple, is packed with the antioxidant quercetin. It battles inflammation in the body, assisting in the healing process. Moreover, onions are rich in sulfur compounds, similar to garlic, and have been associated with numerous health benefits. Being an expectorant, onion helps clear mucus, a common symptom with a cough. This perfect union of honey and onion creates a potent, affordable homemade cough syrup that not only eases your symptoms, but also boosts your overall health. So the next time you're plagued with a cough or cold, remember, relief is just a kitchen away with this honey and onion cough syrup.